Hello friends. Do you know? Can we use two separate WhatsApp in one smartphone? Is it possible? The answer is yes. Let me show you how can we use it. If you are using smartphones like Oppo, Lenovo, Lava, or Vivo, go to Settings and search for Dual Apps. And if you are using Samsung as I am using it, go to the Setting menu and search for Advanced Features. After searching Advanced Features, as you can see on my screen, press on it. You will see too many advanced features. Down below, click on Dual Messenger. After clicking on Dual Messenger, you will see the applications we can use as two separate accounts for them on the same smartphone. As you can see, there are WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and WeChat as well. I am using it. So we need here WhatsApp. Press the right button in front of WhatsApp. As you can see, it asks me to install a second WhatsApp app. So I will click Install. And now the second WhatsApp is installed on my device. Let me show you both old and new WhatsApp on the menu of my smartphone. I am adding it to the home screen to show you both. And here we have the two WhatsApp. This is my old WhatsApp and this is the new one. As I open the new one, it needs to make a new account for it. Because I did not make a new account for it. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching.